Volcanoes are so cool! You try, Penny. Show Daddy the video, kids. That gives Daddy an idea. They can build a volcano together! Safety first! You need some clay to make a mountain. Penny made lava. And Pit made a T-Rex. Now what can they use? Kids can't play with chemicals. Daddy will use mints. In they go! Pit, get some cola! Penny will color the water like lava. That's too pink! That's perfect! It's safer to do this outside. But step back, kids! The cola and mints will fizz when they touch. It's not working. It needs another mint to work. You did it! Don't forget to clean up. Cool volcano, Penny. Run! The floor is lava! Hold tight, Blueberry! Watch out, Pit! The floor is lava! Jump onto the plant. It's like a sailing boat. Row along the lava. Haha! Oh no! Quick, help her! Crew, soft landing. Made it just in time, too. Now the floor is a trampoline. Bouncy bounce up and down. We can jump all day. All that exercise has made them hungry. Uh-oh. Now the floor is lava. Careful, Penny. Blueberry, look out. Step on the plate quickly. Now you can skate to safety. Yikes, even the water's lava. The floor is slime. No, don't touch it. Slime is sticky and squishy. Don't worry, Blueberry, Cherry has a plan. Grab onto the sausage link lasso. Heave, oh! Teamwork, yeah! No Penny? Uh-oh, the floor is lava. Ah, Penny's stuck. Pit, the floor is lava. Jump onto the washing machine. Whoa. It's paragliding, Pit, haha. Quick blow so you don't fall. Now the floor is ice. Everyone can slip and slide along. Haha, Penny's sponge skating. Watch out, she can't stop. Haha, that was fun. Uh-oh. Yikes, whoopee cushion fart blast. Whoa, Lemon, calm down. Oh no, you've lost your volcano. Hey, don't take their volcano. Always ask to share, don't just snatch other people's things. That's not nice. Uh-oh, Dino's tears are gonna make it blow. Pit's trying to bung it up. Take cover. No, Lemon, don't do that. Ah, he wants it to blow out bubbles. Let's try all the colors together. Wow. Bubble-tastic. Haha, they're floating back to class. Can you help fix it, Pit? Where does the brain go, Penny? Yay! Lemon, stop touching things that don't belong to you. Whoa, watch out, Lemon. Oh no, Skeleton's alive. Wow, it's a super skeleton basketball team. Oops. Come on, we've got to put him together again. Where's Lemon going? Uh-huh, we can copy and match. Yay, bones are all back in place. What's missing? Look, Penny, Skeleton found the missing heart. Planet class, yeah. No, Lemon spun the planets out of place. Yikes! A fiery meteor is coming our way. Shield up and ready. Yay, now the planets are placed just right. Oops, alien splat, haha.
Mommy made soup. And Pit's so hungry, but he has to wait. Wait, Pit.
Oh, no! Stop, it's hot! Be careful, it's so hot, very hot. Be careful, it's so
That soup is too hot. Penny wants to play dress up.
Happy, happy, I want to put on some pretty clothes. I am happy, happy, happy.
She wants to iron her dress.
Iron my pretty clothes.
Oh, no! Stop, it's hot!
Never touch a hot iron.
Be careful, it's so hot, very
Let an adult help.
Be careful, it's so dangerous.
Good job, Daddy.
I am thirsty,
Jill loves hot chocolate.
thirsty. I want to drink hot chocolate. I am thirsty, thirsty, thirsty. Let's
Stop, Jill.
eat that chocolate.
Oh, no! Stop, it's hot!
Stoves are dangerous.
Be careful, it's so hot, very hot.
Let Mommy do it.
Be careful, it's so dangerous.
Don't get burned. Stay away from hot appliances. Let hot food cool down.
I am dirty,
Lee's so dirty.
dirty. I want to take
She wants a bath.
long bath. I am dirty, dirty, dirty. Let's
But the water's hot.
the water now.
Oh, no! Stop, it's hot! Be careful,
You could get hurt.
it's so hot, very hot.
Always add cold water too?
Be careful, it's so dangerous.
Penny is bored.
I am bored.
She wants some apple pie.
Some lemon pie. I am bored.
Should she turn on the oven?
Heat up the oven now.
Oh no! Stop! It's hot! Be careful, it's
Let a grown-up turn it on.
very hot. Be careful,
It gets very hot.
so dangerous.
Now it's ready. Yum!
Pit's ice blasting the hot tea. But now it's freezing cold. Fire flame to make it hot again. No, Pit, it's too hot.
It means your tea is hot, hot, hot. So we
When something's too hot, give it a blow. Always check so you don't get burnt.
not to get burned. When your tea
Now it's just right.
you can drink it then.
Penny likes hot. Pit likes cold. Warm is in the middle and more comfortable.
Let's have a nice
Watch out, crabs coming close, Penny.
dream, please. Can you
No,
see that
your ice cream.
I wonder
But that will be freezing cold. Yikes, your tongue is frozen to it.
Means your ice cream is cold.
Give it a blow to warm it up.
So you have to blow, blow, blow. Always be
Don't have things too cold or too hot.
freeze. Warm it up a little and
Blowing can warm up or cool down things. Whoa, too cold. Warm her up, Pit.
Let's have a pizza.
Careful, kids. Check if it's hot first.
Can you see the steam?
Ouch, Bernie.
What it means?
She only needed water on her hand, Jack.
It means our pizza
Never touch food before checking first.
so we have to
Blow on it. Here we go.
always be
We check with a thermometer so we don't get burnt.
when our pizza cools down. We can eat
Just the right temperature now. Bubble bath time for Blueberry. Penguins like cold, icy water, but not for you, Blueberry.
inside. Let's
No, check the water first.
try.
Brr, Blueberry, the water is freezing cold.
Cold, cold. So we have to add some hot.
Pour in some hot water to make it warm.
Always be careful.
Dad's checked it. Now you can jump in.
When your bath is nice and warm.
Remember, kids, not too hot or too cold. Warm is best.
This turns candy into fruit juice.
Welcome to the sweets machine with any
But Mr. Lemon's hiding inside.
mystery sweets machine. Pick the color.
Pit will try first.
Yes.
I chose
He wants yellow banana juice.
right, yellow color, hooray, hooray.
Mr. Lemon will give him lemon juice instead.
Lemon flavor will be fun. La 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 la. I can't wait to give it a try.
Ew, lemons are sour.
La la la. Yucky, yucky, yuck, yuck, yuck. La 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 la. That is not nice.
Officer Pumpkin, you better try it.
Welcome to the sweets machine with any flavor that you need. Mystery sweets machine.
What will Mr. Lemon do?
Color just like this.
I use orange, it's so
Some orange juice, please.
orange color, hooray, hooray. La la la.
Mr. Lemon is making orange juice. Yay.
Will be fun. La 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 la. I can't wait to give it a try.
It tastes great.
La 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 la. It's delicious. Ooh la la. La 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 la.
Penny's next.
Welcome to the sweets
She wants some red strawberry juice.
flavor that you need. Mystery sweets machine. Pick a color just like this.
But that's a tomato.
I chose red. It's so great. Red color, hooray, hooray.
Well, it's yucky.
La 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 la. Yucky, yucky, yuck, yuck, yuck. La 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 la.
Mr. Lemon has enough candy now.
Not nice.
La 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 la. Yummy lollies there.
And Lemmy loves candy.
La 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 la. Lolly lolly fun fun fun.
Look, Pumpkin.
I have to investigate.
Follow the clues.
Something doesn't seem right. Follow all the clues behind.
They lead right to lemon.
Solve this in no time.
Our lollipops? Too much candy is not good. Time to have some yummy fruit.
Lemon, fruit is better for you. But he wants candy.
La 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 la.
Not this time, Lemon.
Don't be cheeky, come with me. La 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 la.
Penny's hungry.
Oh, what taste could it be?
She'll make a lemon sandwich.
And see in
Ew, lemons are sour.
curiosity, you and me.
Make lemonade instead.
With each twist and turn, so simple and carefree.
Poor Daddy.
In this flavor, and
Lee loves hot peppers.
let's agree.
Spiky loves cotton candy.
What taste could it be? Let's try.
Can you mix them together?
In a world of flavors, so
No, they don't go together.
with each bite and see, we'll unlock
But hot peppers are great on pizza.
the mysteries of taste. Just you and me.
Penny is growing apples.
A sandwich surprise.
Lemmy added salt.
Lemon inside.
But apples should be sweet.
Says crunch up. It's quite
That's better.
right. Lemonade splashes.
Hot mustard is yummy.
It did glide in this
Can you put it on cake?
journey. We can hide.
It looks great,
What taste could it be? Let's try.
but tastes awful.
In a world of
Use it for sandwiches instead.
so wild and free. With each
Delicious.
seed, we'll unlock the
Pit likes to roast marshmallows.
to the mysteries of taste. Just you and me.
Don't use them in soup.
What taste could it be in this world so grand? With flavors
Use them in hot chocolate.
rises hand in hand.
It's a great treat.
Let's explore, discover, and
You can even use a bowl.
in our taste-filled journey, together we'll stand.
What's Lemmy up to? Ask before trying, silly.